channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shannon Renae, and make sure you consider subscribing to my channel down below. If you enjoy my content, make sure you click that little bell notification so you get notified when I post new videos, because you guys are not going to want to miss what I have in store for you guys in 2019. It's going to be amazing. I have so many surprises in store, so stay tuned. Today's video is going to be this look. It is one of my brand new looks. I've never done this look before, and as you can see in the tutorial, it was a lot of work and it took a lot of blending and patience, so definitely give this video a like if you enjoyed, because I definitely spent so much time doing this look. I spent almost 3 hours on this look. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for the support so far. Over 1K subs. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Before we get into the video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Pura Vida. As you guys know, I have a discount code with Pura Vida. It's Shannon Brush 20 at checkout to get 20% off of any purchase, excluding clearance items. But Pura Vida is an amazing company. I wear these bracelets 24/7. I haven't taken them off. Literally, I haven't taken them off. And they are waterproof. You can wear them in the shower. You can wash dishes with them. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with them. So definitely go check out Pura Vida. I will leave a link in the description for you guys to go check them out. They are an amazing company doing amazing things. All their bracelets are handmade, and you guys should definitely check them out. I wouldn't push this brand so much if I didn't support them. They are amazing, and you guys definitely would love these bracelets. They're so inexpensive, and you can also get 20% off, like I said, using my code ShannonBrush20 at checkout. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get into this look. And also, I want you guys to comment down below what you guys want this look to be called, because I didn't really know what to call it. It's kind of a wintry look, but it's kind of not. And yeah. Alright, let's just get into the video. I'm so excited. I'm so ready. Let's go. Woo! So now we are going to start priming and prepping our eyelids. We are going to be taking the Maybelline Dream Brightening Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade number 10 Fair. Blot this on my eyelid. Now I'm just going to take this concealer brush and blend that up and out. And if you guys know of any other concealers or bases I should try, definitely let me know. I definitely want to try the P. Louise base because it's been raved about so much, and I definitely want to try that one. So give me suggestions on other eyeshadow bases I should try, eyeshadow primers, stuff like that, because I am definitely down to test them for y'all. Alright, now I'm just going to take a damp beauty sponge and blend this out a little more so it doesn't crease. Since I don't set this base, it definitely helps to blend it out like this so you don't get creasing going on. Alright guys, now for the fun part. I just put some regular tape on my eyelids. You can also use eyeshadow tape, it doesn't matter. They make tape specifically for this, but I just use regular old Scotch tape, and I just put it right here along my lower lash line. And now I'm going to be taking this little transition shade right here. I'm gonna take that. I'm just going to blot it up here. Ooh, I like this shade. It's really pretty. Once we have that on there, we are going to be cutting our crease right away, and it's going to be a full cut crease. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the lightest shade. And we're just going to take this all over the lid. Alright, so before this gets any more matte than it already is, I'm going to be taking this reddish maroon and popping that into where I just put that concealer. Okay, so somebody outside just yelled, "I like beer," and I'm like, it's like 11 a.m. Like, you shouldn't be yelling that, but okay. Oh yeah, that was from the Bella Noir Trophy Eyeshadow palette, by the way, if I did not mention that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this black from the Morphe 35F Fall into Frost palette. It's just a matte black. Alright, so you guys can see kind of how I'm getting that purple, little purple line up there. That is so cool. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my gosh. How am I doing this? I don't even know. Okay, so when I'm done putting that matte black shade on, I'm just going to go in and take this brush, this fluffy brush, and blend the inner corner. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take this off now. Woo! Woo! It's always such a relief when you take that stuff off. And then I'm gonna brush away. As you guys can see, there's a tiny bit of fallout. This is why I do my eyeshadow first before I put my foundation on, so I can just go. Oh wow, it kind of stained a little bit. So what I would do in this case is you can take a little bit of makeup remover on a little cotton pad like this. This is just the Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. So I just kind of took that and wiped all the fallout away. You could also do this with a makeup wipe as well if you don't have the eye makeup remover like I do. Okay guys, so now once we have our base, this is basically our look today, but I'm going to do a glitter liner up on top. So I will go and do that. I will go put the glitter liner on and then put my full face of makeup on, and then I will be back to show you guys the final look. Alrighty, let's go. I'm so excited. This came out so cool. Oh my gosh, this looks really cool. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, this is the final finished look. I am so happy with how this came out. It's beautiful. I just popped on some glitter, and it was from the Bella Noir Trophy Eyeshadow palette. And I popped on some Ardell Foamy lashes in 811, as you guys already know. And yeah, I'm super proud about how this came out. It's super festive. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments below what you would like to see next from me. I love reading your comments. I love responding to them. You guys have been such amazing support so far, so thank you so much. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.